If the difference between the circumference and the radius of the circle is 37 centimeter, then taking pi value as 22 by 7, what is the circumference of the circle? Right, okay, yes. So we need to find the circumference. So here we know that the difference between circumference and the radius, this is 37. So basically circumference is 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r minus r is 37. Or we can have r into, r is factored outside, 44 by 7 minus 1, this is 37. Or r into, this is 44 minus 7 by 7 or 37 by 7, this is equal to 37. That means simply r is 7. So once r is 7, we can find the circumference very easily. Circumference is 2 into pi into r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 7, which is 44 centimeter. Option C should be the right answer. So yes. Yeah, option C is the right answer.